It sprays water
Quit
too.
spitting!
It's getting everywhere.
You simpleton.
Kojin providing the refreshment. I'm providing the condiments.
I hate people.
Condiments? You mean the
What?
food?
I
We'll
spit.
just eat your head.
I'm spitting out ketchup. That's a
Well, we'll just-
condiment.
We'll just eat your head, though. You're a whole burger.
That's pretty bad out of context.
Yeah.
Eat your whole head though.
Look at my mustache going up. Hello. How are you doing
really
today?
That's really fucking good.
Madam, Mr., they, them pronoun. How are you doing today?
Rose, how are you doing?
They, them pronoun. Kojin?
That's me. Kojin?
Kojin? Kojin?
Kojin,
Kojin? He disappeared!
Kojin!
we gotta break him out.
I don't know how the fuck we gonna do that. Kojin? Kojin? Kojin?
Not even muted. He's still here.
Yeah, he's still in call. What the fuck happened?
Yep.
Oh no. He hasn't disconnected yet either.
Well, this is awkward because I started recording like a minute ago.
Uh,
I mean,
Well-
it's fine. I can have extras in the video, but
you can also edit.
that's true as well. I can edit. I can have this as a deleted scene.
The power of editing.
God, not the paper bag. The paper bag is my favorite.
Kojin! How can I put stuff in my room?
When you go down to the edit room tab,
Where?
go back to the table, click it again. Go to edit room.
I don't have that option.
You have Ugly's Hat, MB Tune, and then you don't have edit room below it?
No.
Okay, well I guess you haven't gotten anything yet. You get items to put in your room after we do a bunch of rounds.
Which means Kojin!
Look at this one.
Oh, fucking that one. Jesus.
There he
he's
goes.
out of call now.
Comcast destroyed him.
Oh, it's like a fuckboy.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, David has pumpkins.
Wide range of emotions.
It's me, Coco. It's me, Duck Jeter.
Stop! It's already bad enough that they're all named after fucking vegetables.
Hold on. I saw one I really wanted to get. Hey, how you doing?
Oh,
It's Al Guspone. I'm definitely gonna use this. God. Look, guys, I'm Squidbillies. Squidbillies duck.
oh God.
It's Squidbillies duck.
Oh no.
I haven't seen Squidbillies in years. What the fuck was that, Quack? Oh my god, it's the little thing.
Yeah,
that's so
really
weird.
Squidbillies. God, that's an old ass fucking series.
417 ducks ago. 417.
I like how that
quacks
one
ago.
is just called Gents.
McQuacking.
Yeah.
Hey, MP, wouldn't you like to play a game with me?
Why?
You might cause her to log off right now, dude.
Hey, I'm gonna strangle you with this inner tube.
Please, dude.
I don't want a relationship to splinter off like that.
Shut the fuck up!
I'm sorry, baby. I might drive you away.
I hate you!
You know,
Yeah.
I was the driving force of this relationship.
We really beefing now, aren't we?
Oh my god, we are getting worse.
It actually is getting worse.
Oh my god.
Hey, Avery. On God, no cap.
Take it off. We're gonna be landing this relationship very soon.
Nah, I'm not feeling really up to it. I'm feeling ugly.
God damn it, I'm proud. I'm sorry, but this isn't panning out for me. There's a pot. There's a pot, Avery, not a pan.
God.
This isn't potting out for me. Listen, I know you think I'm a stoner just because we live in California.
God damn it. This is getting worse before it gets better, damn it.
This is why we need Kojin.
We just keep taking shots in the dark.
I'll have a lot of ads. What the fuck is this?
Oh, I think that might be a reference to another game.
It's called Turing.
Looks like it.
Yeah, I think that's a reference to 2064 read-only or something. Yeah, it's another game on Steam that's apparently really good. Funny man. Yeah, that's what Avery thinks he is, a funny man.
Listen here, I am funny. Look at me.
Congratulations, you're finally white.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Pika, you say that like he hasn't been playing a white duck the entire time.
Man, do you even understand the fucking shit that I saw the other day? It was a comic of Steven saying, Connie, I know how to get rid of your disease, and he makes Connie white. It was so goddamn fucking funny. And it was wrong, too. That's the worst part.
Holy shit.
I was like, dude, who made this one into Jesus Christ?
That one's kind of crazy.
That one's kind of
that's-
just like, oh, that's on the nose.
That's awful and hilarious.
Look at me, I'm from My Hero Academia.
Hey, you leave Fropey alone.
The frog is special. Look at me, I'm a pirate.
Wrong, brother.
I know, I did both.
I'm about to make you go extinct up there, Rex. Hold on, I can get up there. I can get up there.
What? Stop that! You dumb bitch!
Oh, so Piku, I know what's coming out of your mouth is ketchup, but like when I
Yes.
saw it drop down here, I was like, is that fucking blood?
I mean, it could be both.
Someone's bleeding. No, why? God.
I'm a burger. If I bleed, then it's ketchup.
I mean, you were also once an animal. Isn't it kind of fucked up for a duck to wear a burger?
I mean,
It's like a cow. That's like a cow wearing a fucking rabbit's foot.
Kojin's internet is being awful.
Well, y'all still want to go?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
hope
let's
you're
go
ready
down.
to experience tranquility.
Oh, we'll see.
Alright. Jesus, I had nearly 10 minutes of that.